I was watching an interview last night with Bolt, Honorable Usain Bolt, and something struck me. I remember the Grammys recently where Bob Marley won Best Reggae Song or Album, one of them. And I remember the uproar that most Jamaicans had, stating that Bob Marley is now deceased, and the consensus is that he's deceased, so he should not be getting any more Grammys. And what about the current artist? I saw many sharing the sentiment that the reason why Chronix stopped doing music is because he realized how biased the Grammys are towards the Marley family. One thing I have to say, well, firstly, the Marleys that have won Grammys do damn good music. Opinions can vary and say it's not as good as another person's music, but the consensus and the fact is it's damn good music. Two, you're telling me that as Jamaicans, a very small country, and one of the persons that have helped to put Jamaica on the map, the global map, Jamaica is a tiny dot among major countries. And you're telling me that Bob Marley that helped to put Jamaica on that map is still winning Grammys long after he's dead. And you Jamaicans have an issue with that? You don't understand how ridiculous that sounds? The mentality that Jamaicans have where we feel the need to tear down each other because the person that we currently like is not getting the recognition that the person that also helped to put our country on the map is getting. It's ridiculous. And I would love for Jamaicans to really take a seat, take a moment, and think about the type of mentality that is so poisonous to the point where you are willing to tear down one of the literal giants that came out of your country that helped to put your country on the map simply because the person that you prefer at the moment is not getting the recognition that you think they're supposed to get. It's that crab in a barrel mentality where many Jamaicans that I've met, both in Jamaica and outside of Jamaica, have stated that they do not want to deal with other Jamaicans because of that same crab in a barrel mentality. I dare say that Jamaicans don't believe in love and family as much as though they claim that they do. They believe in money and popularity. See, you may be related to a Jamaican, but because you do not have the money to give them or you refuse to give them your money, they will not love and support you. Look what happened to Usain Bolt, going back to where I started. Usain Bolt, along with Bob Marley, have played a pivotal role in putting Jamaica on the global stage. And you're telling me that this man invested his hard-earned money and they stole it. And from the interview I watched with him last night on The Fix, he's not getting any type of assistance from the government to help him reclaim this money. He even went on to say that the leader of the company is, I'm going to tag it somewhere here so I make sure that I don't make any errors, is have not came and spoke to him. Jamaicans, we seriously need to think about what we're doing. Again, we're a very, very small island. But yet it seems that we are more invested in stealing from our own, bringing down our own. And as I said, the crab and barrel mentality, we prefer to pull down our own. Not because we want to elevate. A lot of times we prefer to pull down our own simply because we do not want our own to be above us. It is sad. It is very, very, very sad. And I know that this video may not go anywhere, but again, this is a channel called Kelson's Thoughts. I am Kelson. These are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.